Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon RDS instance for PostgreSQL projects step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Web Services Management console. Once you're logged in, navigate to the RDS service from the AWS Services menu. In the RDS dashboard, click on Databases in the left-hand menu. Select the Create Database button to start setting up your PostgreSQL instance. On the Create Database page, choose Standard Create for a more customized experience. Next, in the Engine options, select PostgreSQL from the list of Scroll down to the Templates section and choose the appropriate option based on your project needs. For most projects, selecting the dev/test template will be sufficient. Proceed by configuring the settings for your database instance. In the DB identifier field, enter a unique name for your instance. Next, create a master username and password that you will use to access your database. Under the DB instance size section, select an instance type that fits your performance requirements. Adjust the storage settings according to your project's anticipated data needs. In the connectivity section, ensure your virtual private cloud, or VPC, is selected. Choose the appropriate subnet and configure your public access depending on whether you want your database to be publicly accessible. Scroll down to the Additional Configurations section. Here, you can set your initial database name if required. Configure parameters like backup retention and encryption according to your security and data recovery requirements. Review all your settings to confirm they align with your project needs. Once you're satisfied, click on the Create Database button to initiate the creation process. After a few moments, your PostgreSQL instance will appear in the database list. Now, wait for the status of your instance to change to available. Once available, you can find the endpoint of your database instance on the Instance Details page. You can now use this endpoint, along with your master username and password, to connect to your PostgreSQL database. For local development, consider using tools like pgadmin or command line utilities to establish a connection. To finalize, ensure that your security groups are properly configured to allow access from your IP or application environment. Now, you are ready to use your Amazon RDS instance for your PostgreSQL project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.